Cheers.
Hi, I'm Shez.
I'm Gav.
And this is our Beneteau Oceanis 430. We made our dream a reality. Welcome aboard to Astrid the Wombat. Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we had both sails up and were averaging a massive 2 knots. We finally made it to our anchorage and settled in for the night. Waking up like this on the ocean is one of my favourite things. We are Gav and Shez, and we have plans to take off and sail around the world. We're preparing our boat and our lives to be ready to live our dream. If this is something that you think you'd love too, hit subscribe and join us on this crazy journey as we get ready to explore the world on our Beneteau Oceanis 430.
Just popped in to talk about what we're eating for breakfast. What have you got to say?
I'm eating muesli.
And tell me what you think about the weather today. Come on. Don't waste the memory card.
It's windy today.
What time do you think we'll make it back to the marina?
Just getting all ready to go. Got the systems on, instruments on, all the stuff going. And pretty soon we're going to pull up the anchor and start heading out. So hopefully, well, we'll get back before any of this strong winds and stuff kick off. So yeah, we'll head back. We will most likely or potentially get the head sail up, I don't know, or we'll just motor. Depends what the conditions are like once we get away from the shelter of the island. The boat definitely likes it better having at least a head sail up, but we'll just see how we go because we're sort of against time. We want to get in before this really kicks off. But we may motor sail. We'll see. Definitely won't be getting the head sail up till we get that issue sorted that we had yesterday. But yeah, we're almost getting ready, almost ready to take off. It's beautiful out here this morning though. Like, you wouldn't think it's all about to go crazy, but let me show you the morning.
Those little fucking bay cruisers are cool, aren't they?
Yeah, they are cool. Okay, you right for me to keep going?
Yeah.
We're up! get something better to push that mud off than this.
Yeah, feel like a scraper or something?
Yeah.
Like a scraper on a stick?
Yeah, like a, it's got to be better, something better than that.
Yeah, right.
All right, we are underway, and 20 knots the wind is that right?
Yeah, it's at 15 knots. Yeah, 15 knots, right on the nose. Okay.
Which makes for, Gav likes to add apparent after anything that says knots.
And you're sitting on a laserette?
What was that?
You're sitting on a laserette?
Oh, I'm sitting on a laserette, yeah. His other favourite word. So yeah, good decision to get going, because it's just going to keep blowing up through the day. So 20 knots is not a problem. 30 knots is not a problem. We did the other weekend in 30, but this is going to be going over 30. So probably, and there's only one spot really to get out of a northerly like it's going to be. So it'll be absolutely crowded, which is never good. We know that we stick and we're pretty good with our holding and stuff, but you can't guarantee everybody else. As I have yesterday, and I continue to look for whales. No sign of them yet. Surprise, surprise. Anyway, we'll keep looking for them. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get any sails out with the winds coming straight on the nose, so it's not going to be great. But you can see it picking up out here. Or maybe you can't, I'm not sure. But anyway, we're heading back. Wow, things have super blown up here now. We've got waves. I'm not going out on the deck anytime soon, feeling slightly spewy, but yeah, pretty glad we've made the decision to head back when we did, because this is going to get a lot worse as the day goes on. Just wanted to share with you, you know, the tender was bouncing around before, it's now fixed.
Tell us if you've got any good ideas to stop your tender from swinging around on the davits while you're underway. Because our ideas are just ropes. So So maybe you've got a sling idea or something or some sort of prop. Tell us in the comments. Want to hear them?
So before I was just posting our link to our latest episode that just went live, and Gav was standing up holding on to the tender because it was bouncing around all over the place in these conditions. And then when I finished, he looked at me and he goes, "Can you watch me? And if I fall overboard, drop the engine to neutral and just mark where I am and keep watching me." Didn't say what his plan was. That was his first words, if I fall overboard. My suggestion was putting on a life jacket. But anyway, he got climbed over, everything went well, and we got the tender is now not moving at all. But yeah, any suggestions that you've got for keeping it still while we're traveling would be much appreciated. Yeah, sticking on the front deck, not an option at the moment. Well, I mean, yes, we can do it, but we're in and out of it all the time. It's our car, so we want to keep it on the back. Oh, wow. Can we steer over that way? We literally just got whales off the side of the boat, so fingers crossed my footage comes out. But our first whales ever that we've seen off the boat, so pumped, super pumped. Yes. Gav thinks he's solved his glasses dilemma.
Yeah, thanks for all your tips. But no one gave me. Anyway,
Yeah,
they just sit in there. Did we get tips?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Thanks everyone for the tips.
We did get tips. Thanks, guys. We always read all your comments and tips. It's helping us a lot. We need a lot of comments and we need a lot of tips.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I'm pulling us over, is that? Oh, okay.
Just look at the car, please. missed that by a bee's dick.
It's on. All right, to plug this in.
Yes, please, thank you.
Join us next week when the boat becomes surrounded by whales and you'll hear me say, "Whales!" And so we know where they are. Whales off the port side! And in case you're wondering exactly what they're doing, oh, tail slap. Boom. It really is an episode that you don't want to miss. Thanks so much for joining us this week, guys. We appreciate you watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up and we'd love a comment. See ya.